Cosmo Laser, precious metal cutting and marking expert. Cosmo Laser Equipment Company Limited is a laser equipment manufacturer integrating R&D, production, sales and after-sales service. Since 2004, Cosmo Laser started producing high-quality laser equipment for the global jewelry industry, precious metal and gift production fields, such as watches, eyeglasses, hardware products, and electrical appliances. We have a worldwide sales and service network. Our products include high-speed laser cutting machine used in metal materials, which is commonly used in precious metals like gold and silver jewelry industry, mobile phones, eyeglasses, watches, hardware products, tools, accessories, and many other industries. The control software had an option allowed you to perform on flat surfaces or circular objects, cutting such as pipe, bangles, rings, etc. Fiber laser marking machine used in all metal and some non-metal material marking, commonly used in gold and silver jewelry, hall marking, handicrafts, eyeglasses, watches, hardware products, tools, accessories, and many other industries. Able to do fine marking, deep graving with high speed, simple operation, and long laser lifespan. Able to do rotary 360-degree continuous marking on bangles, rings, and other circular objects. UV laser marking machine used for fine marking on all non-metal and metal materials. Commonly used for gold and silver jewelry hall marking, hardware products, gifts, glass products, plastic products, acrylic, and other industries which need high requirement. The best machine for marking of transparent materials like crystals, glass on surface or inside of materials. Computerized pin marking machine, specially created for the jewelry industry, marking on a finger ring, bangles, and flat surfaces. This tabletop machine and simple software is highly suitable for retail shops to provide customers with instant customization mark on their valuable purchases without any material lost. CNC design cutting machine, the best machine for facet cutting of gold and silver materials. It is suitable for flat cutting of gold and silver materials. Simple programming, window-based software, high precision, able to cut on materials with a minimum thickness of 0.2 millimeters, low maintenance cost, and with the selectable cutting knife direction, vertical or horizontal, let you create unlimited designs. Plus the special design interchangeable cutting table, this feature minimizes your loading time tremendously, which highly increased your production rate. Our company pays attention to the transformation of high-tech innovations and the development of the laser industry, adopts new design concepts, and uses software to optimize the combination, which greatly extends the service life of equipment's components and the precision of the equipment. All our machines are certified CE standard. Cosmo Laser is committed to continuous innovation and development and has obtained various patents. Keeping up with the development trend of the industry, the founder of the company has led the team for more than 2 decades to continuously develop and innovate with excellent technology and exquisite craftsmanship. We are producing the leading brand of laser equipment for the worldwide industry and continue to meet the demanding requirements for the industry and supplying high-quality laser equipment to the world.